Okay, good evening everyone. Welcome back to our live. And ay may magsisimula na sa ating battle for third dito sa Barangay Salapan. Ayan, sa karangalan po na ma-cover ang inyong Liga Cup. Charles Ay Tihoso o Barangay Salapan. And sa kanilang Barangay Council as well. Maraming pong salamat. First ball. Side step mula kay Ricardo de la Cruz. Napakabilis. Napakatulin ni Ricardo de la Cruz. There's a travel. Reverse layup. Basket.
Ayan nata ang gamit ko.
Hindi daw yun eh.
Prep. 3. At 2 points. It's a long 2 for a Team Concord. Nice shot. 6-2. Drop pass number 10. Miss. Rebound. Rebound ng Youth. Here comes Ricardo de la Cruz. Basket. Boss Rep. Sorry pa doon. Alang space lang. Thank you. Thank you po. Wala. Bounce pass. Using the board and score. 10-2. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng team EUT. EUT 4-3. Yes, sir. For jersey number 12. And 5. Gets the 3. Wala. Rebound ng number 10. Ayun na. Tejoso. Drive. There's a foul. Number 10. Nice move by Tejoso. Boss Tejoso is in the house. 10-7. Top of the key for 3. In and out. Rebound ng Concord. Tejoso drive. Gets the contact. Wala. Rebound number 27. No good. Another rebound basket by jersey number 27. There's a foul. Nice move, fake, drive, and basket. Number 23. 12-9 in favor of the team EUT. Number 24. In and out, rebound. Ng EUT, De La Cruz. It's a blocking foul. Number 10. Cross-court pass. There's a foul and 1. That's a foul and counted. Bonus shot para number 23. And a 3-point play for jersey number 23. 15-9 in favor pa rin sa team EUT. Verano. Catch and shoot. Bang! Play number 27. 15-11. Number 3. Oh, steal ng Team Conqueror. Alley-oop, Tejoso. Drive, using the board, and score. Babasa dalawa ang lamang ng Team EUT. Number 26. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, block. Outlet pass. Number 24, all the way. Yes, sir. Tabla na tayo sa 15. Cross-court pass. Oh, that's a trouble. Team ng Conqueror. May tahan na bola. Number 12. Oh, steal by number 23. Outlet pass. De La Cruz all the way. Miss. Ay na, nagagawan by Ricardo. De La Cruz. Bad pass. All players.
All players must substitute.
Number 4, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Number 0. Outlet pass, miss. Rebound by number 8. Hold up jumper, no good. Outlet pass. Up and under, miss. Steal by number 23, 21. Bounce pass, number 8. Layup, basket. Change favor, lamang na ang Team Concord. 17-15. EUT basketball, number 3 for 3. Yes, sir. 3. By jersey number 3. Change favor, balik ang kalamangan sa Team EUT. Pull up jumper, wala. Rebound. Awa ng EUT. Ayun na sa number 3. Number 3, stop and pump, no good. Rebound by number 27. Pass number 11. Uy, basket. 18, balik ang kalamangan sa Team Concord. And a steal. To number 11, 3 against 1. Basket. Timeout EUT. Official score 21, 18, 21 in favor of the Team Concord. Time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. It's a jump ball. Number 21, 4-3. Wala. Rebound, Conqueror. Number 8, fade away. Another rebound. Using the board and score. Number 23. And gets the steal. Number 11. Catch and shoot. In and out. Rebound by number 3. Pass number 14, 24. Number 7 using the glass and score. By jersey number 7. 23-20. Oh, steal. Number 23. Wala. Another offensive rebound. Number 4 gets a foul.
Number 21. Number 4, shoot, proceed.
Nasa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Team EUT. O sorry, the Team Concord. Conqueror. Number 11 at sa loob. Reverse layup. Hugot na hugot yun na number 27.
By number 27.
Out of bounds. last touch.
Single.
And up to number 4, De La Cruz. Pass number 3. Number 3. Yes, a foul.
Number 11. Penalty.
Penalty. Attention in the line, jersey number 3.
Conqueror are under penalty situation.
First shot is good. Second shot. Uy, wala. Another rebound for Team EUT. Sorry, that Conqueror.
Single.
That's the same ball. Number 21, 4-3, in and out. Out of bounds.
Single.
Number 11 to number 21. Drive, half step, floater, wala. Rebound by number 27. And there's a foul. It's a trouble.
Time remaining. 53 seconds.
Outlet pass. Block. Out of bounds.
Basketball play. Our score, 25-20 in favor of Conquerors.
Number 21. Nakatawid. Bounce pass to number 8. Oh! Basket by number 8, 27 to 22. De La Cruz. Pass number 3. Number 3, reverse layup, basket.
Number 6,
Oh, another steal by number 24. It gets a foul.
foul by number 27. Dehoso. Number
Dehoso.
27, personal foul. 15 foul, the Conquerors.
First shot miss. Time remaining, last 6 seconds. Basket. 25-27. 3, 2, 1. First quarter, official score 25-27 in favor of the Team Conquerors. Ay, yaman. Basta.
Our score,
Wala ba kayo mamaya? Hindi ba lalaro mamaya? Ay, pala eh.
in favor of Conquerors.
Bakit laban namin eh.
Ha? Push-up na yun eh. Wala ka sulit talaga na yun. Okay, back to the ball game. We're going to the second quarter. 27-25, 2-point lead para sa Team Conqueror.
Second quarter.
Yes, a 3, wala. Rebound naman natin. Outlet pass, number 8. Matake, wala. Rebound by number 24. Pass number 26. From elbow 3, short. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. Back to number 11. number 24, Hesse, drive and gets the contact. May foul ang tinawag. Foul number 24.
Foul number 24. Number 24, personal foul.
Number 11. Pull-up jumper. Basket yan. By jersey number 11. Ayun na, outlet pass. Uy. De La Cruz, pass number 8. Basket. 29 in favor of the team Conqueror. Number 24, cross-court pass. Rep. Pull-up jumper, no.
He uses the ball.
Number 24, pass number 26 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11, Diniscarte. Stop up the key for 3, wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. Outlet pass, all the way too strong. Rebound by number 12. And there's a foul. De La Cruz.
Foul by number 6. Number 6, second personal foul. Second team foul for UNC.
Conqueror basketball, number 11, catch and shoot, miss. Offensive rebound, number 8. 31-27. De La Cruz, up and under, in and out. Rep, sorry. Outlet pass to number 8. Number 8, basket.
Basket by number 8. On score,
27-33. De La Cruz, derecho, gets the travel. Wala rito makuha ng team Conqueror. Cross-court pass. Number 24. Number 11. Number 11. Oh, bad pass. Steal. Number 4. Drive. Nabitawan and gets my contact. Traveling daw. Sabi natin official. Post rep. Ano, space lang. Alley-oop, wala. Bounce pass. No good. Rebound by number 8. Outlet pass number 24. Number 4 all the way. Basket.
number 6.
29-33. Steal naman ang green. Cross-court pass. Hand off to number 24. Pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Pass number 12. Sa loob, number 24. Block by number 8. Rebound by number 4. Ayun na si De La Cruz. De La Cruz, derecho. Bang! Timeout muna rito ang Team Conqueror. Official score 31-33. 2-point lead para sa Team Conqueror. Time remaining po natin 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Team Conqueror. Number 11. Pass number 24. Hesi. Tumira, wala. Out of bounds. EUT basketball. De La Cruz. Catch and shoot, wala. Rebound by number 10. Number 12. Tejo. Number 8. Back to number 11. Tumira, using the board, wala. Rebound by number 12. Binigay sa corner. Sa loob, reverse layup and gets the foul.
Pushing foul number 4. Number 4, first personal foul. 5-minute substitution. All players, 5-minute substitution.
First shot, no good. Time remaining 5 minutes and 9 seconds. And shoutout po muli sa ating butihing kapitan, Charles Ahitihosa. As watching. Second shot, basket. 34, 33. Number 3, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, Hesi. Bounce pass to number 7, basket. 14, EUT, baba sa isa. Ang kalamangan ng Team Conqueror. Number 7. Pass number 11, Hesi drive. Wala, rebound by number 23. Pass to number 3. Bounce pass to number 13. Back to number 3. Drive and score. Change favor. Lamang na ang Team EUT. 35-34. Number 7 to number 8. Drop pass. Oy, wala. Number 7. Basket. Sorry, that's number 27. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team Conqueror. Number 15, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass number 21. So number 8, drop pass. Number 27. And out of bounds. 4-second shot lang to shoot. Out of bounds. Last touch. Black ball. Or same ball.
4-second shot clock.
Number 25, 4-3. Good. Rebound by Ricardo. De La Cruz, steal. Steal by number 3. Number 23, basket. 37-36. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team EUT. Number 11. Steal. Pass number 15. De La Cruz. Pass number 15. Cruz in the glass and score. 39-36. Tejoso. It's a foul.
3. Number 3.
Shooting the line, jersey number 7. That is Tejoso.
Immediately.
Short.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 21 seconds.
Second shot, miss. Offensive rebound by Tejoso. Back. Number 11, too strong. And there's a foul.
Foul number 11.
Number 11, that is third. Oh, second personal foul. Team EUT basketball. Number 23, 4-3, short. Rebound by number 7. Tejoso. Number 27, miss. Rebound, number 7, outlet pass. Number 15, all the way. Basket is good. 41-36.
Our score 21-36 in favor of EUT. Time remaining 1 minute and
Number 21, pass number 7. Back to number 21. To number 11, fake. And it's a foul. Oh, correction, that's a travel. Number 3. Steal by Tejoso to number 8. Oh, there's a foul.
it's the foul.
Villaluz.
Villaluz.
Penalty.
Villaluz, second personal foul. Penalty.
EUT under penalty situation. On the free throw area, number 7. Tejoso.
Voting ka dito eh. 5-1 lang. Ano lang kayo?
First shot, no good. Number 23, kick out. Number 3, 4-3, wala. Open, defensive rebound. The Conqueror, number 8, drive, no good. Number 11. Cross-court pass. There's a foul.
Foul number 2. Foul number 2. Number 21, second personal foul.
Number 7 shooting the line. First shot is good. Second shot by number 7. Basket. 43-38. Last 45 seconds sa ating first half. Number 21 to number 7.
Here's the foul. Foul number 20.
Penalty. Tejoso shooting in the line.
First
That
personal
is
foul.
good. Second shot for Tejoso. Tejoso in and out. Last 32 seconds. 43-39. Number 23, drive and 1. Basket count and 1 para jersey number 23.
Foul number 11.
That is Morsal.
Personal foul. 13 foul for Conqueror.
Last 22
Number
seconds.
23 shooting. Bonus.
Lasal basket.
Basket is good.
46-39. Last 15 seconds. Number 7. Back to number 21. Number 21. Drive. Floater. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. And it's a foul by number 7.
Foul number 7.
1.6 seconds remaining.
Number 7. First personal foul. 14 foul for Buckers.
Ricardo De La Cruz on the free throw area. 2 shots. First shot is good. Second shot for De La Cruz. Wala. And 1 second. And that's the end of the first quarter. Fisher score 47-39. At magbabalik tayo para sa third quarter. Alright, magbe-break muna tayo for the meantime. At ayan, nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga dito sa Barangay Salapan Seniors Division Basketball Tournament 2026. Sa pangunayan ng ating buting barangay captain, Cap Charles I. Tijoso, at sa kanyang barangay council. Ayan, syempre sa pangunayan ng special thanks to our mga sponsor. Andyan si ating buting Mayor Francis Zamora, Congresswoman Attorney Bel Zamora, Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Kawili, and Sir Rocco Zamora. At andun din kasama ang ating District 1 Councilors. Maraming pong salamat. Magbabalik po tayo para sa ating third quarter. This is your Salapan Seniors Basketball